Greetings to everyone from AutopediaBeliefs. This is new Hyundai ALCAZAR starting from 16.3 lakh to 19.9 lakh ex-showroom price, and it comes in three trims: Prestige, Platinum, and Signature. And let me tell you one thing that every potter prays his own pot, and I'll tell you the meaning of this at the end of the video. However, the whole description is around this phrase only, so that's why I told you. So okay, let's get started. So it has got 6 and 7 seat options, manual and automatic transmission as well. So this front line is completely embellished with the usage of this chrome. It has got lots of chrome in the front, and the front fascia is all the way different from the Creta, because right now Hyundai is become came to that verge that इनका Hyundai का नाम भी बिकता है. So that's why Hyundai has done some cosmetic changes from the front fascia, and as well as it has got the front scadding as well on the lower side of the bumper, which give this car as enhanced look from the front area. Yes, and right now let me tell you that it has got 4,000 plus booking already. Out of that proportion, it has got 45% diesel and 55% of petrol variant. And the prime thing, this car, if you are getting a lower variant or the prestige trim, you are getting premium features like 10.25 infotainment system, as well as the panoramic sunroof in the base variant as well. And as you can see, the headlamps is quite similar to the Creta top line variant, so you are getting the same headlamps as you have got in the Creta, but on the top end variant on the signature trim line. So it has got a broader view. From the sideline is quite similar to that, but due to the increased length, or they have added a third row, that's why it become lengthy. So this is a new Hyundai Alcazar for you. And even on the top end variant, you are getting some of the new element or new features like lane changing camera. It's a new element, new feature, 360-degree camera, and the air purifier as well. So if you are getting into scrutiny of the cabin, so the cabin, I would like to tell you. But before cabin, it has a very good sporty steering. The scope design is different, as well as it has got all the controls mounted on the steering. You have got a cruise control, as well as most of the features. And this is a 10.25 inch infotainment system. And this material is a soft touch material. It's not a leather wrapping material, which seems like it's a leather wrapped, but it's a soft material. The benefit is scratch nahi hoga yahan pe. These are the drive modes. You have got it's a very easy operate. You just need to rotate that circle, and you'll be able to change the drive line or the modes. And this is the automatic variant. That's why we haven't got the manual lever or a manual transmission in this. And this is a air purifier which you have got on the top end variant, the AC vents as well. And the trim line or the tin color of this cabin seems good. Panoramic sunroof with single touch operation, and you have got glove box in the rear seats as well. Or I can say, if you have got this six seater or a pallet seats, so you have got the glue box as well in the mid row. So if you're getting ingress in this car, it's not that cool. It's very tidy, and as my height is almost 5'10", 5'11", it's very tight. Means the third row is, I'm not considering this car as a third row car. This seat is only will be utilizable for the kids only. But you have got the AC controls on the third row as well, the AC vents, and you have got the control as well, the charging ports as well. So space is not that cool, because there is a difference. Because right now I have done सफारी रिव्यू एज वेल. तो सफारी में और इसमें क्या चेंज है, मैं आपको समझाता हूँ. सफारी में आपको जो इसका लेंथ मिलता है 4661 mm, जबकि Hyundai आपको दे रहा है 4500 mm का लेंथ, तो ऑलमोस्ट 166 लेंथ कम हो गया। उस लेंथ की वजह से थर्ड रो आपका टाइट हो गया। विथ भी आपको सफारी में मिलता है 1894, वेरेज इन Hyundai में मिल रहा है 1790। हाइट भी इसमें कम है, आपका व्हील बेस ज़्यादा है, बट आई डोंट नो, दे हैव केप्ट द व्हील बेस हाई, बट द लेंथ ऑफ दिस कार इज लो। छोटे छोटे यूटिलाइजेशन के जो एलिमेंट्स हैं, द फीचर्स आर वेरी गुड, whereas the ground clearance of this Hyundai ALCAZAR is 200 mm, whereas in Safari you got 205. So I'll paste the link of this Tata Safari so that you can see the Tata Safari as well. तो जो पीछे का जो space है, as we are considering this car as a 7-seater, I'm not convinced with the space, because it has got very low space, and even I've experienced the Tata Safari cabin, which was very roomier, very spacious cabin that was. After experience that sort of cabin, if I'm getting inside this one, it seems very tight to me. But don't know, if you are utilizing a sedan and you are moving to the 7-seater for your kids, that would be a preferable, a good option. So I could say their imitation has no intelligence. That's why it's a very similar car to Creta, and I could say the old puts in a new packet. But it has got two engines, 2-liter petrol engine, which will give you 159 bhp in 192 Newton meter of torque. In diesel engine, you have got 115 bhp at 215 Newton meter of torque, and it has got almost, I could say, as you have seen the Kia Seltos video, which was very viral because the car was just broke down. So Hyundai has utilized almost 75.6 high strength steel, जो कि Kia Seltos में high strength steel use नहीं हुआ था. And if you want, I can make that video for you as well. So these are the claims. You can see the engine part, and so these are the things. And right now the booking is almost 4 to 8 weeks. You can have this car within 4 to 8 weeks. So if I conclude this video, yes, you can utilize this car. Base variant में भी आपको अच्छे premium feature मिल रहे हैं, panoramic sunroof मिल रही है, but if you'd like to have a 7-seater car, I think it's the edge for the roomy cabin. Because अगर मुझे third seat में बैठ के जाना पड़े, I'm not going in this car for sure. But if it could be Safari, I'll sure go, because it has very roomy spacious cabin. So thanks a lot. Hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.